In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a contact from favorites on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Phone app and then tap right here to see our contacts that we've added to favorites. From here, we can easily delete any contact if we just swipe to the left and tap Add Delete. Please note that it will not delete the contact itself. The contact will stay in your contacts book. This does remove it from the favorites. Also, we can tap Add Edit, and then we can remove contacts also by tapping at minus sign and hitting Add Delete. Minus and delete. Once you're done with that, tap at Done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.